Hey nerds, it's Sunday the 27th of November and it's raining. Yeah, I'm outside to show you my hometown. This is a small part of it. You can see all of it because there's this big building over there in the way and there's a tree. I grew up here and I still live here. Over there, lost in the mist, is our university. It's called the Bergische Universität. Aside from a bunch of famous people, Wuppertal is known for the Schwebebahn. It's like a train going upside down because, well, we couldn't build an underground train. Sadly, it's out of commission at the moment because of political shenanigans resulting in construction fail. Yeah. This is Friedrich-Ebert-Street. I'm showing you that because most of the sidewalk is roofed. But also because Friedrich Ebert was quite the big socialist, and I think it's kinda ironic. There you see part of the Wertsche Garten. It's more like way up the hill, and this is the real Wertsche Garten. This is the Luisenviertel, my favorite part of town, because, well, all those little artisans are presenting their crafts in little shops around here. Also, the buildings are pretty. Old buildings! So, this was a little part of my hometown. I hope you don't mind me making it short, the rain was getting to me. So now, I see you tomorrow. DFTBA, best wishes, and enjoy some more pictures I took earlier in the week.